The game of darts dates back to the Middle Ages, when English soldiers looking for fun began pitching arrows at the bottom of an empty barrel. When winter came, the soldiers moved their game indoors. But they couldn't throw big arrows around inside, so they used shortened versions, and the game was on. Today's darts are finely crafted little missiles. Production begins with the flight shaft, the piece that the dart's wings are attached to. Workers load aluminum rods 3 yards long into a machine that has several cutting implements. This army of tools works on the aluminum rod from all angles, shaping it into dozens of shafts. Threads are cut into the shaft's exterior, and one of its ends is hollowed out so it can be screwed onto the dart barrel later. A cross saw cuts slots into the other end for attaching the wings. Oil flushes away the shavings. It also keeps the tooling cool, so it stays sharp enough to cut through metal. The completed shafts fall into a bin to await further assembly. Next, brass rods are loaded into a similar machine. Its tooling carves the brass rod into barrels, the main part of the dart that you grip. One end of the barrel is threaded and tapered so the shaft can be screwed onto it. This tapering also makes the dart aerodynamic. Next, tools with angled grooves cut ridges on the outside of the barrel to make the dart easier to grip. The process is called knurling. Another tool then cuts the brass barrel to the correct length. Some dart barrels are made from tungsten, which is quite dense, so the barrels can be slimmer. Slimmer darts can give you an advantage in tight scoring situations. That's why pros often prefer tungsten darts and have them custom made, even choosing their own knurling grip. These are knurling wheels, another way to etch the grip pattern into the dart barrels. Knurling wheels come in an assortment of patterns, all designed to help you keep a firm hold until the dart takes flight. Now it's time for the darts to get their sharp points. A hydraulic press forces steel tips into the hollowed ends of the dart barrels. With the point now snugly in the barrel, the dart is ready for its wings. Dart wings are made from polyester film, which first winds through printing rollers. Some print jobs involve just one basic color, while others layer many colors to build up a design. In the world of darts, the wings are known as flights. A machine cuts out the flight shapes, and they accumulate in big piles. Flights are made in various shapes. This is just one of them. Workers fold the cutouts together to make a flight. They check each one for symmetry, because an out-of-proportion flight could wreck a player's game. Now it's time to screw the shaft to the barrel of the dart. The polyester flight slides into cross slots on the end of the shaft. And now, this set of darts is ready to take aim. It takes less than a minute to make a dart, but less than a second for this flying missile to find its mark.